Hello and welcome to the video tutorials of Fusion 360. In this playlist, we are going to talk about this inspect element which is given right into this design panel, and there is more workstations, workspaces, and each of these has their own separate user interfaces. You can go along with this, but in this video, we are going to talk about this zebra analysis. In our previous video, we have already discussed tail curvature comb analysis. So in this video we are going to discuss about zebra analysis. So what the zebra analysis is: zebra analysis is used to check the continuity of your part of your plane or of your face of the cube. For example, if I create a cube right here with the using extrude feature, I'm going to extract it up, and using hole I'm going to create a hole over this. And by using this feature, I clearly get to know that my surface is continuous or not. For example, if I select this body, I will come to know that our surface is not continuous. You can see horizontally these lines are passing horizontally with you. If it not, these lines are not moving, you have to check this, click out from this, and you can see that your line is now movable. So that's how you can check the continuity in the Fusion 360. So make sure you subscribe my channel. I'm uploading videos like this about this software and some basic features of the Fusion 360. Add this playlist to your library, and hope you like this video. Comment in the comment box if you have any doubt regarding this software. Hope you like this video, and I'm sure I will make video on it. Thanks for watching.